What if your car could see danger before your eyes ever could? The NV300 Max warns you in a fraction of a second when every heartbeat matters. It is not just protection, it is foresight made real. Imagine piercing through fog, rain, and pitch-black nights, spotting hidden hazards nearly 3 football fields away. With thermal vision fused into a dash cam, and for those first 200 backers, the future begins at $399. Imagine a wall of light that bends to your mood, shifting from pure white to warm amber with a touch. The steady ST2K touchlight panel projects a beam reaching 645 meters and spreads illumination across 64 meters of width. Integrated seamlessly with existing driving lights, it delivers precision brilliance for highways, trails, and remote roads alike. Its curved design balances flood and spot beams, ensuring no roadside detail escapes your vision. The confirmed worldwide retail cost is $528. Dead zones vanish when the drive reach signal booster takes control, amplifying weak signals into lifelines of connection. Installed in under 30 minutes, it boosts voice and data for multiple devices across all major US carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile. With 5G compatibility and an output of 29.5 decibel milliwatts, it ensures smoother streaming and clearer calls even in remote terrain. Rugged and FCC approved, it is the strongest in-vehicle booster allowed by law. The official listed price is $499. When the trail disappears into dust and stone, the EVOA Adventure Canopy becomes your fortress. Forged from 5 modular panels of stainless steel, it locks onto your truck with uncompromising strength, yet lifts away in minutes when freedom calls. Gullwing doors swing open to reveal MOLLE panels, ready to mount tools, recovery gear, or the essentials of survival. And it comes at a price between $4,395 and $4,595. Heavy cargo once meant strained backs and wasted hours, but the MAD EasyLoad crane turns vans into effortless lifters. Installed in about 4 hours, its plug-and-play frame supports payloads of 250 or 500 kilograms with electric winch precision. The system slides aside when not in use, preserving nearly all of your loading space while still ready at a button's touch. Mechanics, tradesmen, and fleet operators gain both safety and speed in one compact solution. The model capable of 500 kilograms of lifting power is officially priced at $7,250. When skies turn violent and hailstones hammer down, the Hail Protector inflatable car cover rises like a shield. Tested to withstand winds of 129 kilometers per hour, it inflates in 5 minutes to guard vehicles up to 7 meters long. Remote activation through a mobile app means protection begins before the first storm cloud arrives. Featured on the Discovery Channel and trusted across the United States, it remains the best-selling hail defense system. The largest version delivers its storm-proof embrace for $499. Adventure feels limitless when the Black Series HQ12 rolls onto rugged terrain, its independent suspension tested to withstand 20 tons per arm. Compact yet luxurious, it sleeps up to 4 with a full kitchen, bathroom, and solar-ready power system built for off-grid life. The quad-shock design distributes load evenly, ensuring smooth travel where ordinary trailers falter. Every detail, from reinforced chassis to weather-sealed fiberglass, speaks to durability and freedom. The official MSRP for the HQ12 stands at $43,899. Forget engines under the hood. The Alafé Sonic One puts raw power directly inside each wheel. Delivering continuous 200 kilowatts and peaking at 255 kilowatts per wheel, it unleashes torque up to 1,700 Newton meters with unmatched control. Integrated with a 400mm brake disc and a 21-inch rim, it redefines performance for hypercars and electric platforms alike. Samples for automakers debut with a groundbreaking design, though pricing is not yet publicly listed. Sunlight becomes motion with the Fisker Ocean's solar sky roof, harvesting rays to generate up to 1,500 clean miles per year. Stretching across the SUV's full length, it feeds energy directly into the battery while reducing reliance on charging stations. Combined with dual-motor all-wheel drive and a sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, the Ocean balances sustainability with thrill. The Fisker Ocean Extreme with solar sky roof is officially priced at $68,999. Power no longer hides under the hood, it lives inside the wheel itself with Donut Labs' breakthrough design. Revealed at CES, these motors deliver up to 630 kilowatts of output and 4,300 newton-meters of torque while weighing only 40 kilograms. Direct drive eliminates traditional powertrains, making vehicles lighter, more agile, and shockingly efficient. From scooters to trucks, the same compact motor can transform ordinary machines into hypercar-level beasts. Pricing has not yet been disclosed, but the numbers alone speak louder than any dollar figure. A tire bursts at 80 km per hour, the car skids, and then NIO's AES takes control. This advanced emergency steering system monitors road conditions in real time, intervening instantly to stabilize vehicles during blowouts or sudden hazards. Tested at speeds of 150 km per hour, it prevents skidding and keeps drivers safe when human reflexes fall short. With global road injuries topping 50 million annually, its mission is clear: reduce chaos, save lives. NIO has not published a retail price, but its value lies in protection beyond measure. Recovery work demands speed and strength, and the Lil Hercules 2.0 delivers both with uncompromising design. Available in standard L-arm or the self-loading Herc-O-Matic version, it features 6 function controls and automatic jaws for rapid vehicle grab-and-go, reinforced steel framing, DOT-approved safety chain points, and LED rear work lights ensure durability and visibility in every situation. Backed by a lifetime warranty on pins and bushings, it stands as a trusted tool for tow operators nationwide. The official listed price begins at $4,000, a figure that marks the entry into professional-grade towing power.